Okay, class 6. What we have here is we're going to really take a close look at what we can do with walls with this tool here, the path tool for making walls and roads. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come out, I'm going to make the lamb bigger with the, there we go, with the tool. Okay. And then I'm going to go on to paths, and I'm going to draw a path. Okay, so that is our invisible path. When we run the game, it won't show. Now we want to draw a wall. Okay, so I'm going to put down add wall. And now, when I do exactly the same movement using the left hand side of the mouse, you can see we're actually making a wall. Right, so let's put a road going round as well. So this time when I click on my ball, I can change type to a road. Change type. So I've got a big road there. To delete, just click on it, go down to delete. Okay. So we can have a big road or a small road as well. We can have a wall, or we can have a path. Now, let's just extend this. So I'm going to add another one. Change type. Okay, and we're going to add one. We're going to go all the way around. There we go. Change type. So we've got our road going all the way around. So we have our invisible path. And if you notice, if we choose a road or a wall, they do not disappear. Only the path disappears. So now I'm just going to show you how to work these. So I'm going to put Rover on there, and I'm going to say to him, program always move on path. Don't have to go for colour because we don't need a colour on this one. That's the only path there. Okay, escape out of that, and then we're going to press play. Now if you look, he will always move on that path now. So he will always go around that path and not come off it. But we can't see it, so it looks almost like he's just patrolling an area. Okay, let's come out of that. Let's put another rover on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto this one. There. Yeah, I'll do it here. Right, do it there. Right, I'm going to make this path a red road so we can differentiate it. And what I'm going to do is go back to Kodi. This time I'm going to put a motorcycle on it. There we go. And I'm going to say program always move on path, and this time I'm going to choose the colour. So on the red path, and I'm going to say quickly. Okay, that's all we've got to do for that. Now hit this again, so we should now have one sprite staying on the road, one sprite going around an invisible path. So as you can see now, if we wanted to make a maze with a wall, we can make it using that path tool. So all we have to do to make a maze with a wall here is just say add wall. It can be any colour we want, and we can make a little maze from it. Just go on to the nearest node to change it. So now we can make roads that can be used, walls that can be used in cities, so we can add buildings to it. So let's add a building. Buildings. So let's add a cut there. And let's add something here. Let's add a factory. Make it smaller. Change size. Okay, and then play. Escape. And play. So we can start to do encoding by using the path tool. We can make roads, we can make walls, we can make invisible paths, which we can code for the actual sprites to use. Okay, so all I want you to do is just practice those 3 items with the sprites on a large piece of land. Make a wall, make sure it's working. Remember, if you want to get off the path tool, you have to press the right hand button on the mouse. Make a road, change the colour, put something on that road. The coding's really simple. Make an invisible path and put something on that. Okay, well done, and I'll see you next week.